As soon as the installation is finished, you will get this warning that because you didn't supply a license.dat, you won't be able to run the install project. Just ignore this warning and proceed on with, just click on OK. After that, you have to click on finish. Now it's complete. This folder will automatically be opened. After that, go to this crack folder and click on install.txt file. Open this file. Now just read the sentence. After the installation is finished, next sentence, this one. After the installation is finished, just copy our .dat license file to C drive flex in the flex lm folder. For this, what you have to do, you have to go to the C drive. This PC. After that, the C drive. You have to create one folder with the name as flex lm. And please make sure that the F in this flex LM is in capital F and then small l e x l m. Now press enter. This folder will be created. After that, go to that text file. This one, yes. Now this folder is created. After that, you have to set two environment variables. For setting these two environment variables, before setting the environment variables, go to this ORCAD 10.3 folder and this ORCAD cadence ORCAD 103.dat file. You have to copy this file to flex lm folder. So for that, first of all, copy it, right click on it and then copy files to clipboard. After that, you have to copy it to the flex lm folder which you have created in the C drive. Now just paste it. Yeah, you can do Control V. Control V. Now this folder is already pasted. After that, what you have to do, you have to set the environment variables. So for setting the environment variables, just right click on this PC and go to the properties. You can see advanced system settings. Click on it. This window will pop up. After that, in the rightmost section, this is environment variables. Just click on this. You have to create two environment variables. So for creating two new environment variables, you have to click on new. After that, go to that txt file. These two variables, so copy first variable lm license file, copy it using Control C command. And then paste here. And for variable value, again go to this txt file. And this license file value is this C flex lm cadence ORCAD 103.dat. Just copy this. And then press OK. Now this variable is created. For creating another variable, again click on new. Again go to txt file. And now copy the next variable cdc lic file. Copy. Paste it here. Value remains the same. Copy this value and paste it in the section variable value and then press OK. Now you can see that these two variables are created. After that, just click on OK. Close all the windows. OK. First. Now search for PSpice AD. PSpice AD. Now click on it. Now this is your PSpice AD software. Maximize it. So for creating a new file, what you have to do, go to the file option, new. In the new, you have to create a text file. Text file.